we celebrated the first ever UN International Day of Play on June 11th at Papagoya. A truly special day that reminded us all of the role that play plays in the lives of children. Families from all over the city joined us at our Frasertown and Cambridge layout centres for an hour of free play on June 11th, where children gleefully explored, laughed and made unforgettable memories.
Action.
Could you share a memory of what free play was like for you as a child?
I have actually two of my favorite memories. One was in the kindergarten that I was at. We had a mud eating competition, and a bunch of us would go, put mud in our mouth, and then run to the toilet and wash our mouths. And that day we drained the water in the kindergarten, and nobody could understand how we drained the water, but it was such a core memory, as we call it today, that it was just so much fun eating sand.
To be very honest, I had a very fun childhood because my grandparents had an orchard which it was accessible to me. So it was a lot of climbing trees. It was a lot of playing in the stream next to it. There was a lot of just lazing around and watching things disappear in the water. It was idling. It was watching the clouds pass by. It was waiting for that odd bullock cart to pass on that road so that we could climb on it. We tried once, I think, to grow a mango tree right in the middle of the road so that nobody would come from there. It's a proper highway now, I think, that road. But back in the day, that's what we tried. We really tried very hard to grow our own orchard on the main road.
What game or activity do you enjoy playing with Oliver?
I think the most fun is when all the toys are mixed together and we make these silly stories and not a game, but yeah, like a story and a whole narrative around these part Lego, part magnetite, part broken dolls story around it, and it's just a lot of fun. And he enjoys it and I love it as well.
We love cycling, we love outdoors, we love walking, we love visiting libraries. When we're at home, he loves cooking in the kitchen. This is something he's been doing since he was 2. And we love building. So if we're collecting toilet paper rolls and building, or we're building blocks, or we're building chairs on top of each other, we're building all the time. So yeah.
How have you seen your child benefit from playing and exploring throughout their day?
I think play for my grandson really makes things real for him in many ways. And without play, without imagination, without make-believe, I don't think that he can experience reality when it finally does hit him. So play is very important.
It's made her curious, and it's also made her a very bold little girl. And when I say bold, I mean bold in a very good sense, because she's not afraid to try new things. So like I said, we love playing at the swimming pool, so she loves jumping into the deep end. She's always trying to take risks, always trying to explore new stuff. And I think that all comes from the fact that today she has no restrictions and she's allowed to explore and play as much as she wants.
I think movement, I would say I've definitely seen her movements become stronger. The more she plays, the more she walks, her confidence levels increase and her curiosity increases. I feel that is one great way in which play improves her upbringing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.